Microsoft alleged that Google Chrome browser is draining out the batteries in the Windows-based PCs. The firm said it ran a series of tests with the browsers, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera and Microsoft Edge, and found that Chrome users had to charge their laptop more often than Edge users. For the battery to fully drain, Chrome took 4 HRS 20 min, Firefox 5 HRS, Opera 6 HRS and Edge 7 HRS 22 min.